Mheshimiwa Esio Kenyuri niko bana hagendereire kuboria abananchi kwenekia una nkoba baramo na kwarigania hamagendero kurwa serikali enene mwanju murigera nkomanya roboti uru nduraba tayari tugusika bosiase roboti rondo mokonyi usoka biro mokonyi Bw'Omorai Bw'Ense musikiriga Gachagua Bw'Omorai Bw'Ense DCP na komochia hegetambukiro kio huse kwa Oborendi Bw'Omorai Bw'Ense ya Kenya asege kore kiane getuwe bwango igase ensemo ya Kwale ase Oborendi Bw'Ense abere kagutwara heme chando keragwa kwandra emesange NIGO haburi na nyimbo ne sekte Oborendi koba maiso ase ng'encho Oborendi Bw'Omorai Bw'Ense ne egento kere gekubwatirania ense ya Kenya.
I have, as a responsible leader, refrained for a very long time to discuss matters surrounding the security of the person of the president. Because I thought that if I told people that the president is exposed and there are so many lapses surrounding his security, probably I would endanger his security, which is against national interest. The CP and our leaders want William, but we want him out of office through the ballot next year. We don't want him out of office through any other method. The security of the president, his safety, and his well-being is a very important ingredient of our political stability as a country. It is key to national security. The president of Kenya, no matter how unpopular he is, must be safe. And he must be properly protected. Because if anything was to happen to him, we would have a crisis of unknown magnitude. Not long ago, on the eve of 6th April 1994 in Rwanda, a plane carrying Rwandan President Juvenal Habyarimana and the Burundian President was shot down in Kigali, Rwanda. Followed afterwards genocide. More than 2 million people were massacred. Rwanda has never recovered. Simply 2 presidents from the Hutu ethnic. It is very irresponsible and reckless for the government to play around with the security of President William Ruto. President William Ruto is very unpopular, but I must admit, in my own estimation, he enjoys the support of nearly 2 million people. If anything was to happen to President William Ruto through recklessness, there will be political instability in this country. I, regarding Gachagua, do not want instability in this country. We have no other country and we don't want instability. We want William Ruto to be safe. We want William Ruto to be alive and to be well. We want to have the opportunity to humiliate the ballot.